Choose an open area clear of buildings and other obstacles. Turn on the drone. The light turns green then red, wait for pairing. Turn on the remote control. It takes about 40 seconds to pair with the drone. It's completed when the light is green. Connect the phone to drone's Wi-Fi. Open the app, tap Controls. Push the left and right joystick to 1 and 11 o'clock position to calibrate the compass. Rotate the drone horizontally 2 times. You will hear these sounds. Then keep the camera facing to the sky and rotate it vertically 2 times. You will hear these sounds. Place the drone on a level ground. Push the left and right joystick to 11 and 1 o'clock position to calibrate the gyroscope. It will search for GPS signal automatically. You will see ready to fly on the upper left corner of the app when completed. Push the left and right joystick to 5 and 7 o'clock position to unlock the motors. Push up the left joystick to take off. Tap the camera and the video button on the app to take pictures and videos. Adjust the lens angle with the remote control. You can also take pictures and record the videos by clicking the buttons on the remote control. The pictures and the videos will be stored on the app or SD card. Pull down and hold on the left stick till the motor stops. Unlock the motors. Tap the takeoff button on the app, slide to confirm, drone takes off. Tap the land button on the app, slide to confirm, drone lands. Unlock the motors again, turn off the beginner mode on the app. Adjust the flight distance and altitude according to your demand, and then save it. The drone should fly higher than surrounding obstacles so that it can fly stably. With the left stick, you can control the drone to fly up and down, and turn left and right. With the right joystick, you can control the drone to fly forward, backward, left, and right. Click the auto return button to return the drone to takeoff position. Click again to stop returning. Click once, then long press the power button to turn off the remote control.